So, let me address what happened today. Today, nablow ko yung mga lima ko na evaluation. And I hit my max loss sa apat na funded account na 250k. And I made $800 profit sa mga 50k. I'm not proud kung paano ko nakuha tong mga $800 na to. Basically, nagkamali ako ng contract size. But at the same time, I'm happy because I made profit. On these accounts, I'm not proud either kung ano yung performance ko today because it's NFP week. Usually pag NFP week, I'm very careful na hindi maghanap ng mga huge movement and I always stick to base it and trading one contract. But today, there was one guy in the chat na hindi ko sasabihin yung pangalan. So basically, this guy is throwing negative comments and yeah, basically I got cut off. I think yung first 30 minutes ko sa live stream was just him addressing him, and basically ang dami niyang sinasabi. Like, I don't know how to predict the market and puro ako hula and everything or puro ako analysis paralysis, anything you could think of. So, it's hard kasi I'm managing multiple accounts that's doing YouTube live stream at the same time. May studio ako na this studio, basically, nililipat-lipat ko yung screen ko para mabigyan kayo ng magandang experience and executing in front of you is so hard habang minamanage ko lahat ng yon. Tas nagsiswitch pa ako ng mga account. So, it's hard, live trading. And then you receive those negative comments and it could really throw you off. I think looking back now, I got caught off guard. Like, I'm trying to prove something, and I'm seeing things not very clear dahil may gusto akong patunayan. I want to be in a green, So, yeah, in hindsight, dapat kung nag-stick ako sa base it, I could have made easily $400. But instead, down ako ng $800. All because of I want to prove people wrong. And at the end of the day, I don't have to prove anything to anyone kasi I'm just here like, trading and having entertainment purposes. So, this channel is not about educational. Wag nyong igagayahin yung mga trade ko because you will lose money. Kasi delay yung stream. And if you find this channel educational, that's up to you. But at the end of the day, I'm not here to prove that I am the best trader. Gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo yung journey. And it's hard when you have people like saying negative stuff habang nagla-live stream ka. Usually like wala akong ganun ka-extreme na mga negative na tao. Wait lang, Beo. Kamalikot. Usually wala akong mga ganung negative na comments but it's just that one person sa previous video ko, I think 5 comment yung nilagay niya. Tas the moment na nag-live stream ako, he already started talking negative stuff and yeah, basically nawala ako sa game. That's why I was not looking for base it today because I want to prove people wrong and I can make huge profit. But at the end of the day, it's the market versus me, right? It's the market. And it's not the chat, hindi yung chat. Wala akong kailangan i-probe sa chat. So I just thought it's something that I should be addressing and yeah, shit happens. I blow 5 eval because I wanted to feed my ego and prove people wrong. Clearly, the market is bullish at the market open. May idea ako na short. Kanina, at the market open, dito ako nag-profit actually. Yung short movement, so pakita ko lang sa inyo, 59, 57. So dito ako nag-profit, as you can see here. And naging overconfident ako sa bias ko. Even though yung market nag-move ng ganyan kalaki. Kasi all because I wanted to prove people wrong, and make huge profit. But yeah, like I said, this is the last time na i-address ko to. Usually, like, yung chat hindi naman ganun ka-extreme. Especially negative comment. It's the first time na merong ganun na nangyari sa chat ko. So, going forward, if meron man troll na willing to talk shit about how I trade, so be it. And I think i-treat ko lang sila as a troll So usually yung mga profitable trader, hindi naman sila egotistical, you know? If you're going to talk bad sa stream habang nagla-live stream ako, it's fine as long as you can prove na you can make payouts, you can prove na kaya mo mag-trade. I'll take that as constructive criticism. Pero kung like you're just here to troll, I might as well just ban you. So next time, tomorrow is gonna be another day. And yeah, I won't be addressing those negative comments anymore and magpo-focus na lang ako sa sarili kong trade. And yeah, it's just sad. Hindi ganun kalaki yung losses ko. It's something na I can manage. It's just unfortunate that I know because of what happened sa live stream, it did have an impact for sure sa pagte-trade ko. So yeah, tomorrow's another day. And yep, just focusing on good quality trades and not proving anything to anyone. So if you like my live stream, thank you so much. If you're here to support my channel, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and yeah, that's all I can say. See you tomorrow, 9:15 p.m. PHT. Peace out, chat.